Air conditioner, air conditioner, air conditioner. The air conditioner keeps the room cool in summer. Armchair, armchair, armchair. My grandfather loves reading in his armchair. Aquarium, aquarium, aquarium. The children were excited to see colorful fish in the aquarium. Ashtray, ashtray, ashtray. Please use the ashtray instead of throwing ashes on the floor. Blind, blind, blind. She pulled down the blinds to block the sunlight. Bonsai pot, bonsai pot, bonsai pot. He carefully trimmed the bonsai pot every weekend. Bookcase, bookcase, bookcase. The bookcase in the living room is full of novels and magazines. Bookshelf, bookshelf, bookshelf. She arranged her textbooks neatly on the bookshelf. Calendar, calendar, calendar. I checked the calendar to see when my next appointment is. Carpet, carpet, carpet. The soft carpet makes the room feel warm and cozy. CD player, CD player, CD player. He played his favorite songs on the CD player. Chair, chair, chair. She sat on a wooden chair near the window. Chest of drawers, chest of drawers, chest of drawers. She kept her clothes neatly in the chest of drawers. Clock, clock, clock. There is a big clock hanging in the living room. Ceiling, ceiling, ceiling. The ceiling of the hall is beautifully decorated. Chandelier, chandelier, chandelier. A crystal chandelier hangs above the dining table. Coffee table, coffee table, coffee table. She placed a vase of flowers on the coffee table. Curtain, curtain, curtain. She opened the curtains to let the sunlight in. Cushion, cushion, cushion. There are soft cushions on the sofa. Desk, desk, desk. His desk is always neat and organized. Door, door, door. She knocked on the door before entering the room. Door handle, door handle, door handle. The door handle is made of stainless steel. Doormat, doormat, doormat. He wiped his shoes on the doormat before stepping inside. Drinks cabinet, drinks cabinet, drinks cabinet. He keeps a collection of fine wines in his drinks cabinet. DVD player, DVD player, DVD player. We watched an old movie on the DVD player last night. Electric fire, electric fire, electric fire. The electric fire keeps the living room warm in winter. Embroidery, embroidery, embroidery. She spent hours working on her embroidery. fireplace, fireplace, fireplace. We gathered around the fireplace to keep warm. Floorboard, floorboard, floorboard. The old floorboards creak when you step on them. Footstool, footstool, footstool. He rested his feet on the footstool while reading. Frame, frame, frame. She put their wedding photo in a beautiful frame. Games console, games console, games console. He spends hours playing on his games console. Gas fire, gas fire, gas fire. The gas fire heats up the room quickly. Grate, grate, grate. The grate was full of burning logs.